Well, I already looked here, but I saw that bird over there. I'm gonna wait for her to go because there's a egg. It's like the little bird is about to come out. So I'm gonna see. I wanna see. I have to see. I have to now. Fly away, please, please, please. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna wait here. Oh, it's going away. Yeah, I'm going away. Yes, it's flew. Okay, just okay. Yes, I got it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, come back, come back, come back. Then I have to put this here. Oh, so cute. I have to put you back. Alright. But I don't want a dog because I already have 2 dogs and they're killing me. So yeah. Well, there's some trees that I can hide behind. Oh my gosh, Mr. Burger. Oh my gosh, I need to do something. Well, I was just trying to see the bird, okay? Oh, this is my days so bad. I'm bored. What should I do? I will eat, I think, again because I'm hungry.